Hello students, how are you? Our today's topic is trigonometry, and at first you see what is the meaning of this word trigonometry. See, it is in front of you, all things are written. First, the word tri means 3, okay, and then gon. These are the Greek words, and then gon means sides and metron means measure. It means it's all about the sides. And you know, tri in which polygon it is coming? Triangle. So the trigonometry, it's all about the triangle. It's a relation between sides of triangles and angles. So the trigonometry is a branch of mathematics in which we'll deal with the sides of triangles and angles of triangles, and we will relate them, the angles and sides of the triangle. So at first, in trigonometry, I'm going to tell you about one triangle, which is, see, one triangle I'm making. Always, in right angle triangle, one thing is coming in our mind, okay, which side is base, which side is perpendicular, and which is hypotenuse. For hypotenuse it is fixed that opposite to the 90-degree angle, this is 90-degree angle, and opposite to this is always hypotenuse. First thing. Now, generally we are taking this, like I'm writing here A, B and C. So generally we are taking BC as a base. If I will turn 90 degree, then AB will be base. But in trigonometry, at first we have to fix that which side is base and which side is perpendicular. So how we will decide that? So in trigonometry, suppose if we are talking about the angle C, talking about angle C means generally if we are solving for angle C, then opposite to the angle C will be perpendicular, and this will be third side base. It means the first thing in the triangle, hypo will never change. Either we are taking any of the angle, hypo will be hypotenuse only. Second thing, base and perpendicular may change according to the angle. If we are talking about this angle C, then opposite to the C, BC will be base and AB will be perpendicular. So this is general introduction regarding this right angle triangle and trigonometry. Afterwards, in this trigonometry, in this triangle we have 3 sides. The side first, hypotenuse, base and perpendicular. In how many ways we can arrange, in how many ratios we can write these sides? So let's start to write. See, again I am making one triangle. This is, I am taking perpendicular, base and hypotenuse, and this triangle I am giving A, B and C. This is 90-degree angle. This is 90-degree angle in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, we are talking about this angle C. Okay, we are talking about this angle C. I am writing here at first, this is hypotenuse and this is base, and if we are talking about the angle C, then this side will be perpendicular. Now in how many ratios we can arrange these three sides? So I have ways. I am writing first perpendicular upon hypo, we may write, okay, perpendicular upon hypo. Second, base upon hypo also we can write. Hypo means hypotenuse, base upon hypo. And the third, perpendicular upon base, perpendicular upon base. And now these three and inverse of these three, hypo upon perpendicular, hypo upon base, base upon perpendicular. It means we have total 6 ways to write these three sides in ratio. Total 6 ways. And these 6 ways, we are calling trigonometric ratios. Why ratios? It is in front of you, sides ratios we are writing. And trigonometric, so it's related to the trigonometry, means triangle. So that's why we are calling them trigonometric ratios. But in trigonometry, already given particular name to this ratio. To this ratio also one another name. And so what name is given to this ratio? At first I am going to discuss with you. This is given sine. Sine, S-I-N-E, sine, but as an abbreviation we will write only S-I-N, sine. So you please don't call this sin, it's sine. Okay, as an abbreviation we are using only sine, means the short form we are using sine. The full form is S-I-N-E, sine. Now sine of which angle? We are talking about the angle C. So here we have to write angle C. So this is the ratio of sine C. It means the particular name is given to this ratio, sine. C is an angle. It's we can change this. Okay, we can take for angle A also. But this is the sine, and sine means the ratio of perpendicular and hypo. The ratio of perpendicular and hypo ratio we are calling sine. Next is cos C. C is the angle. Cos C means, cos means cosec. Cosec. And next is tan. Tan, C is the angle. Tan means tangent. Tan means tangent. Now after this, sine, cos, tan. 3 inverse of these. Inverse of this means the reciprocal of these. We have, and those I am writing. Now the another ratio is perpendicular. This is first, second, third. Now fourth one, hypo upon perpendicular. Hypo upon perpendicular. Next, hypo upon base, and the inverse of this, base upon perpendicular. Base upon perpendicular, and their name is also pre-decided. So this we are calling cosecant. Cosecant. So this we are writing abbreviation cosec. The next is secant. sec of angle C, sec of angle C. And the last cotangent, before it was tangent, now it is cotangent, so abbreviation is cot. So these 6 are the trigonometric ratios, and the complete trigonometry is based on these 6 ratios. Now one problem came, that how to learn these 6 ratios in their proper sequence with their proper name. So this is the main thing. So for this, many tricks we are using for this, how to learn these 6 ratios. The main part is this, to keep remember in the same way, like sine means the perpendicular upon hypo. So it's a universal that we will not change this. Sine will be always perpendicular upon hypo. So how we will learn? So generally, we are using one methodology that in which सोना चांदी तोले, पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर भोले. सोना चांदी तोले, पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर भोले. Like this you can keep remember these. How? I am telling you. S means sine, C means cos, T means tan. Sine, P means perpendicular, H means hypo. Sine is equal to perpendicular upon hypo. Cos is equal to base upon hypo, and tan is equal to perpendicular upon base. Like this you keep remember in such a way that easily you can use those. We can't change their sequence, like sine will not be equal to H upon P. So as it is we have to learn. So Sona Chandi Tole, Pandit Badri Prasad, Har Har Bole. In this way we will learn. So at first you learn up to here all trigonometric ratios. Afterwards few questions will discuss related to this part. And then afterwards, finally, the main thing of this chapter will start to come. Like, 3 trigonometric ratios not came in this. What they are? Cosec. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. And cot is the reciprocal of tan. So, cosec, sec, tan. For that no need to write. Afterwards we will write they are reciprocal of each other. So at first you do practice up to here and write at least 5 times these ratios, like sine is equal to perpendicular upon hypo. And afterwards, all these ratios should become without this trick, like sine is equal to perpendicular upon hypo. Like this it should become. Okay.